Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I did this yellow and green and blue eye makeup, and it reminds me, I don't know, on Laguna makeup. It's very summery makeup and I really love how it turned out. I didn't even expect it to like it as much as I do. And I just want to say all products I'm using will be listed in the description, as these lashes also, so give that a look, and of course keep on watching and subscribe to my channel. I'll prime my lids using this L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and it's in the shade 326 Vanilla. I'll set it with Nye Luxury Banana Powder. With big blending brush, I'm going into the Regeneration palette from Revolution Pro, and I'm going into this yellow shade called New Day. And I'll blend this as my transition shade. I'll take this green shade called Believer, and with a bit smaller brush I'll apply it through the crease. Now I'm going into Morphe 35M palette, and I'm taking this green shade, and this is called Express Yourself, and I'm using even smaller brush and applying it directly into my crease. Now I'm going again into this shade called New Day, and I'll blend edges. Now with flat brush and a concealer I'll cut my crease. I'm again going into the shade New Day, and I'll apply it on my crease, actually no, on my lid. Now I'll apply this illuminating and lifting Evelyn HD base. For foundation, I'm using this Revolution Pro foundation drops, and they're in the shade F8. I haven't used them in a very long time, so I decided I want to use them today, and I remember I like them, so I'm curious to see do I like them. Shade looks fine. I'll take Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in the shade C10, yes. And I'll mix LA Girl Pro HD Concealer also. This is in the shade Natural, I think, yes, Natural. I'll set it with Nye Luxury Banana Powder. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild contouring palette in shade Caramel Toffee to bronze my face, so this side. And this is like highly pigmented, so if you use it, be careful. But I love the shade, especially for summer. I'll use two highlighters. So first one is this one from The Balm, Mary Lou, and this one from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. I'll also mix two blushes. So first one is this Satin Touch from Essence in the shade Satin Bronze, and the second one is from Wet n Wild in shade Pearlescent Pink. Now I'm going into Makeup Revolution palette, and this is Forever Flawless Constellation palette, and I'm taking this shade and it's called Satyr, and with a flat brush I'll apply it on my lower lash line. I love this. I think I wanna mix these two blue shades and apply them a bit on outer corner. So this one is called Neptune and this is Night Sky. Whoa, I love how this looks. I think it's... And I love this darker blue on the edges because it gives a bit of depth in my eyes. Love it. I line my lips using this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. I'll fill them in using this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Kiss. And over that I'll take this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, it's High Shine lipstick. Actually it's lip gloss, but never mind. It has a pretty good pigmentation and this is in the shade Caught You Bare Naked. And I'll apply it just in the middle. And then I'll tap it. Because as I said, it has pretty nice pigmentation, so... but I don't want my lips to be that light. I'll apply my mascara, and this is Snapscara from Maybelline and I really like it. And then I'll apply my lashes and I'll be right back. So guys, I applied my lashes, but I forgot to do my inner corner highlight. So I'm going back into this Constellation palette and I'm taking this shade called Solar. And on the end I'll apply Mario Badescu facial spray. So guys, this is completed look and I feel like this doesn't look as wow on camera as it is in real life, but I hope you like it, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, bye!